Hello everyone out there, good morning. This is Onen Roni. Subscribe to my channel in case you are not yet. Yesterday, after realizing my colleagues from my working place, they realized that I'm Acholi by tribe, and they come up with a tough question asking me why Acholi are not united. Then I failed to give them clear answer, but I tried to explain myself in a good way. We are divided simply because we believe in the name of the district where we come from. Padea, Moro, Kitigo, Mgolo, thing like that. But those days we were strong tribe as Acholi, because when they ask you which tribe are you, you just tell them I'm Acholi by tribe, period. No any other thing else. So members, let's be strong tribe wherever we live, wherever we are. Let's be as Acholi by tribe. Let's leave other thing out. Anywhere you are, let have that one spirit. I love you all. Subscribe to my channel on Enroni.